An ML engineer is preparing a binary classification dataset for training on Amazon's SageMaker AI. The target variable has two categories, Class A and Class B. The engineer needs to verify if the classes are balanced and address any imbalance without discarding any original training records. Which strategy fulfills these requirements? Option A. Utilize SageMaker Clarify to assess class imbalance. If the CI index is 0, perform random undersampling within SageMaker Data Wrangler. Option B. Utilize SageMaker Clarify to assess class imbalance. If the CI index is greater than 0, perform SMOTE, the synthetic minority oversampling technique, within SageMaker Data Wrangler. Option C. Utilize SageMaker Jumpstart to output a class imbalance report. If the CI index is greater than 0, perform random undersampling within SageMaker Studio. Option D. Utilize SageMaker Jumpstart to output a class imbalance report. If the CI index is 0, perform SMOTE within SageMaker Studio. At its core, this question focuses on handling data imbalances in machine learning. When you have a binary classification task, a significant difference in sample sizes between your classes can lead to biased model performance. The challenge here is to identify and correct that imbalance while strictly adhering to a constraint. You must not discard any of your existing training data, meaning every single record you have must be preserved. In my view, the correct answer is option B. Amazon SageMaker Clarify is the standard tool for assessing bias and class imbalance. Since the objective is to balance classes without discarding any records, you must avoid undersampling, which removes data. SMOTE, or synthetic minority oversampling technique, is the ideal choice because it generates synthetic examples to balance the minority class while keeping your original dataset intact. Options A and C are incorrect because they rely on undersampling, which violates the requirement to preserve all original training data. Furthermore, option D is incorrect because it uses the wrong tool, Jumpstart, and suggests taking action when the CI index is 0, which implies the data is already balanced. As an exam tip, always prioritize tools specifically built for bias detection like Clarify. And remember that oversampling is safer when data retention is mandated.